How to stop text messages from appearing on lock screen. Let's get started. So, if you want more privacy and don't want other people seeing your messages when your phone is locked, this is how you can do it. Open up your settings app. Inside your scroll below, tap on notification. Here you will be able to find all the list of your apps. Go ahead and simply tap on messages. And just like that, if you still want to receive notification but don't want the actual message content showing on the lock screen, you can simply tap on show previews and then select when unlocked. This means you'll still get message notification, but the text inside the message will stay hidden until you unlock your phone. Now, if you don't want the message notification appearing on the lock screen, head back to message notification settings, and just like that, under alerts, you can simply uncheck lock screen. Once you do that, message notification will no longer appear on your lock screen. This is a great way to keep your message private and avoid people reading your text when your phone is sitting nearby. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.